Welcome back to our channel where we share tips on how to live a healthier, happier life. Today we're diving into a topic that's becoming more and more important: kidney health. Did you know that kidney disease is on the rise globally, affecting millions of people? But don't worry, there are natural ways to support your kidneys, and today we're going to share with you 3 powerful fruits that can help detoxify and protect these vital organs. Text on screen: top 3 fruits for kidney detoxification. Understanding kidney health. Visuals of kidneys and the urinary system. Your kidneys are small but mighty organs that play a crucial role in keeping your body healthy. They filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, regulate your body's balance of electrolytes, and even produce hormones that control blood pressure and help make red blood cells. However, factors like poor diet, lack of exercise, and chronic conditions like diabetes and hypertension can damage your kidneys over time. But here's the good news. By making simple changes to your diet, you can help support your kidneys' natural detoxification processes and potentially prevent severe conditions like chronic kidney disease. Fruit number 1. Visuals of fresh cranberries and cranberry juice. First on our list is the tart and tangy cranberry. These little berries are packed with antioxidants and compounds like proanthocyanidins, which are known to prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. Cranberries are especially effective in preventing urinary tract infections, which can lead to more serious kidney issues if left untreated. They're also great for reducing inflammation and supporting overall kidney function. Text on screen: cranberry smoothie recipe. Here's a quick and delicious way to add cranberries to your diet. Blend 1 cup of cranberries with a banana, Greek yogurt, and a splash of orange juice for a refreshing smoothie that's not just tasty, but also kidney-friendly. Fruit number 2. Visuals of watermelon slices and watermelon salads. Next up is watermelon, a summer favorite that's over 90% water, making it incredibly hydrating. Hydration is key for kidney health because it helps your kidneys flush out toxins and waste products more efficiently. Watermelon also contains antioxidants like lycopene, which protect your kidney cells from oxidative stress. Plus, an amino acid called citrulline found in watermelon helps improve circulation, which is crucial for kidney function. Text on screen: watermelon salad recipe. Try adding watermelon cubes to a salad with cucumber, feta cheese, and fresh mint for a refreshing dish that's perfect for supporting your kidneys. Fruit chum 3. Visuals of lemons being squeezed in lemon water. Last but not least, we have lemons. These vibrant citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, both of which are powerful for kidney health. Citric acid in particular helps prevent the formation of kidney stones by increasing citrate levels in your urine, which helps bind calcium and prevent it from forming stones. Lemon water is a simple and effective way to incorporate this fruit into your diet. Just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water in the morning, and you've got a detoxifying drink that supports your kidneys all day long. Text on screen: lemon detox drink recipe. Mix lemon juice with a bit of apple cider vinegar and honey for an extra detoxifying kick. All 3 fruits. So there you have it: cranberries, watermelon, and lemons, 3 powerful fruits that can help detoxify your kidneys and keep them functioning at their best. By incorporating these fruits into your daily diet, you're not only enjoying delicious and nutritious foods, but also taking proactive steps to protect your kidneys and overall health. Closing screen with channel logo and subscribing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes.